Punisher 2099. Punisher, the end. The Punisher Armory. The Punisher 1989. Or the Punisher 60 of 97, the worst superhero movies ever made. 448 of 480, the greatest movies for guys. 132 of 166, the best superhero movies ever made. Punisher Purgatory. Marvel Superhero Squad Online. Punisher 1990. The Punisher meets Archie. Ultimate Marvel vs. Capcom 3. Marvel vs. Capcom 3 Fate of Two Worlds. Punisher P. The Punisher 1993. Or the Punisher 1015 of 1371. The 100 plus best video games of all time, ranked by fans 58 of 158. The best comic book based video games. 40 of 60. The best 90s arcade games. Ultimate Punisher. Marvel Avengers Alliance. House of M. Iron Man Rise of Technovore. The Punisher War Zone. Old Man Logan. Marvel Zombies vs. The Army of Darkness. Punisher in the Blood. The Punisher 2005. Or the Punisher 1771 of 2039 Sony PlayStation 2 games. List of PS2 console games. 45 of 52 the best Daredevil versions of all time. MC2. Punisher Marvel Edge. Superhero Squad Show. The Superhero Squad Show. The Punisher Magazine. LittleBigPlanet. Marvel Mangaverse. Punisher 2004. The Punisher 2004. A Man Called Frank. Punisher. More Punisher, the best Punisher storylines to get to know Frank Castle. 15 of 188 the top Marvel Comics superheroes. 508 of 1288 the greatest TV characters of all time. Punisher Warzone. More Punisher Warzone. 135 of 166 best superhero movies ever made. 152 of 177 the greatest comic book movies of all time. Marvel Heroes. Lego Marvel Superheroes. Or or 613 of 1371. The 100 plus best video games of all time, ranked by fans 56 of 177. The best video games of the 2010s, ranked 75 of 109. The best PlayStation 4 games released so far. Punisher War Journal. Spider-Man 2000. General Frank Castle Age of X. Avengers Assemble. The Punisher Noir. The Punisher No Mercy. Or The Punisher No Mercy 65 of 158. The best comic book based video games 78 of 122. The best Marvel games ever, ranked 83 of 92. The best PS3 first-person shooter games. The Punisher Born. The Punisher Marvel Knights. The Punisher Welcome Back, Frank. Spider-Man 1994. Or Spider-Man 16 Behind the Scenes Facts from Spider-Man, the animated series 34 of 690. The best cartoons of all time 43 of 242. The best Saturday morning cartoons for mid-80s 90s kids. Avengers Confidential, Black Widow and Punisher. The Punisher 2017. Or The Punisher 15 of 662. The best original streaming shows of the last few years 6 of 442. The best new Netflix original series of the last few years 51 of 339. The best TV shows of the last 20 years. Marvel Now. Thunderbolts. The Punisher, Frank Castle Marvel Amaze.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.